Okay, so got the Mustang started. It's still sitting over there running. Got it moved out of here. Now, let's see if this thing will start. It's been charging for a bit. Oh, there we go. Finally. That only took like literally an hour. Well, good. Sweet. This thing's really quiet. You can't really hear it. Yeah, so if y'all are wondering why I have like 50 vehicles, literally all of them except for one has something wrong with them. So, like this thing, the motor runs good in it and everything. The passenger side axle and bearing in it are absolutely ruined. So, I'm gonna have to fix that eventually. That old Mustang over there has been wrecked at some point in its life. And it's a good running car. You can hear it, it sounds mean. It's got a mean motor in it. But that thing, I mean, there's nothing really like necessarily wrong with it that keeps it from being driven. It's just not a valuable car. Like even having the built motor in it and all that stuff, the thing is worth like $1,500. So, you know, well, I'll put it this way. I traded a truck that didn't even have a motor in it for that car, running and driving. And then that Monte Carlo over there, that thing just all the way around needs to be restored. Like it's rusty and it barely has brakes and the rear end's making noise in it. And you name it, it's probably got it wrong with it. And then that S10 over there, it still runs and drives, but the frame is almost rusted in half. That was my daily driver, and then whenever I discovered that it was almost rusted in half, I bought that truck. Which that thing's not perfect either, but ironically, as old as it is, it's the best, most reliable vehicle I own. So, yeah, that's pretty much a rundown on the old used car lot I've got over here in my front yard.